Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to transfer Litecoin from your Coinbase wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets around for better yields or just to diversify, this is the video for you. By the end, you'll feel confident handling this transfer like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Coinbase wallet and Crypto.com apps updated to their latest 2025 versions. This ensures everything runs smoothly with the newest security features. Start by opening your Coinbase wallet app. Log in securely, and navigate to your Litecoin holdings. You'll see a list of your assets. Tap on Litecoin to select it. Next, hit the Send button. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Now, switch over to your Crypto.com app. Go to your wallet section, select Litecoin, and copy the deposit address. It's usually found under the Deposit or Receive option. Double-check that it's for Litecoin to avoid any mix-ups. Paste that address back into the Coinbase wallet send screen. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which have gotten more efficient in 2025. Review everything carefully. Double-check the address to prevent any costly errors. Once you're good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your security settings, like biometrics or a PIN. After that, sit tight. Transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on both apps for confirmation notifications. Pro tip: in 2025, Crypto.com has enhanced tracking features, so you can monitor your transfer in real time. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Litecoin from Coinbase to Crypto.com. It's quicker and safer than ever before. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support on either platform. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.